Hi Forge followers, John Carlo here at Forge Recruitment. If you're someone who's just starting out your career in the accounting field, working towards becoming an expert user of Microsoft Excel can have a huge impact on your daily role, but also the direction that your career moves into. So today I wanted to talk about 3 reasons as to why working on your Excel skills and becoming an expert user in the software is so important. Number 1, improved efficiency and productivity. So it'll ultimately make you more productive because you can automate certain tasks and you can also categorize and filter through large data sets very, very quickly. So if you're very busy in your role, you'll want to move quickly through things. Being able to automate certain things within Excel is going to save you a lot of time. Number 2, it'll help you with your data analysis and decision making. So Excel has functions that will allow you to do deep dives into large sets of data. For example, you can use pivot tables, you can use columns, etc. And they'll make it easier for you to analyze the information in a very quick and concise way. Further, you can also use it for forecasting and modeling. So this will help you strategize and make decisions for what you're going to do in the future. And finally, number 3, and something that we see on a daily basis, but being an expert user of Excel will make you more marketable on the job market and will also allow you to advance your career. So a lot of companies, when they hire people in the accounting field, a lot of times they're looking for those who are expert users of Microsoft Excel. If you are someone who has those skills, you're going to separate yourself from the competition right away. So you're going to become more desirable by these hiring companies and ultimately have more options. And basically, it'll allow you to move your career up should you choose to do that. So that's a really big thing, and why we always stress to those working or getting into the accounting field that make sure you're always working on your accounting skills. So not only will being an expert user of Microsoft Excel improve your daily work and make your daily work a lot easier and more proficient and allow you to move through things quicker, but it'll also give you that extra leverage when you're looking to make a move into another role or you're looking to progress within your current company. So this is just something I wanted to share with you. Again, if you're working in the accounting field, you're just maybe starting, make sure that you're constantly working on your Excel skills. There's a lot of courses online that you can look into, a lot of things that you can do to constantly be improving, a lot of YouTube videos that you can watch. So make sure that you're doing your homework and you're really working on that skill. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions, be sure to contact us. Happy job hunting and good luck.